Hey, what's up everyone? Ryuji Minokawa desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Today, I will show you how I draw my latest drawing. Yeah, this is my latest artwork. So I wanted to share it to the internet. So yeah. Okay, let's go. So let's start off with making an oval shape for our head. Yeah, so we will try to make a hot guy out of here. I'm actually making this video for clout, what the fuck? I'm actually making this video for clout, so subscribe to me. I really needed that subscribe. Yeah, I'm making this for clout. Let this video be worth it. So let's draw the hair now. So to be honest, I didn't really know what I'm doing. I don't really have like a reference. I only have like a guy facing sideways, and I didn't even copy it. And this is not even the body because I really suck at anatomy. So this is the result. I just want to like clear things up. I don't really know my color wheel, so if something's odd with my coloring, blame it to Mikey. So yeah, we're just cleaning things here in this part. Yeah, we're putting blush on the cheeks and on the nose part and the lips to make it plump and juicy. I actually forgot something in this part. I should be putting the reddish blush first before this pinkish one. So I'm gonna go to that real quick. It is here that I realized that I somehow really fucked up this drawing because I should have put the like shadowish reddish something color. I don't really know my color that much. I can describe it easily. So as you can see, the one that I put like the shadowy reddish color, I should have put that first before I put the blush, the pinkish blush. So yeah, so yeah, that one. So I think we will be going to color the hair next. But before that, we will be adding some final touches on the face because as of now, he really looks like he's been rubbed and smacked down on the face and he has bruises. So we should fix that. So we're putting highlights on his face and shadows, a little bit of it. So yeah, so we've we removed some minimal blushes on and we put some shadows, and we're gonna make the hair later on. So the last part would be the hair, and I will speed this up a little bit and let's see the final product. So let's go. So here is the final drawing, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from here, and I hope that I've gained much clout from this. So thank you. I hope I have subscribers from this video. So thank you. So subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe. You should. You should subscribe to me. Thank you. So arigato for watching. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you.